Hey devs, welcome back to the series. In this video, we're going to take our attack system to the next level. It's time to improve the feel and flow of our slash animations. If you've been following the previous episodes, you already have directional slashes and attack triggers set up. But today, we're going to add polish, smoother transitions, animation timing, maybe even hit pauses or follow through. Let's start this episode with something super important: disabling the player's movement while they attack. We don't want the player to run around while swinging their sword. It breaks the realism and makes the combat feel floaty. To do that, we're going to temporarily disable our player movement script during the attack animation and then re-enable it afterward. Inside our player attack script, let's create a coroutine that disables movement, waits for a few seconds, and then turns it back on. Let's test it now. When we attack, our movement freezes briefly and resumes right after the animation ends. Simple, but it makes the slash feel so much more grounded. If this helped improve your own system, don't forget to smash like, and let's keep refining this RPG together. Now that movement is locked during the attack, let's tackle the next detail: adjusting the position of the slash effect. We want the effect to appear exactly where it makes sense, above or below the player, depending on the attack direction. To keep things clean and flexible, we're going to create two empty game objects inside our player, one for top slash spawn and another for down slash spawn. These will be used as spawn points for the slash effects. This way, we can easily control where each slash effect appears without touching the code or hard coding positions. Now that we've created our top slash spawn and down slash spawn points inside Unity, it's time to plug them into the code. Inside our player attack script, we'll start by creating two transform references, one for the top effect spawn and one for the down effect spawn. These will hold the position where we want to spawn each effect. Then, when we perform an attack, we'll check the direction and instantiate the correct slash prefab at the correct spawn point. Don't forget to assign the top slash spawn and down slash spawn in the Unity inspector. Just drag your empty game objects into the fields. Let's hit play and test it. Our slashes now appear in the right place with 0 hard-coded positions. You can add the left and right slashes. The process is exactly the same as we did for top and down.